All right, brother, let me shoot it straight with you for a minute. If you found this video by searching for Carnivore for Beginners, you're in the right place. And yes, those are the same shorts, the ones I used to wear. Now my son and I can fit in them at the same time. That picture isn't just about weight loss. It's about a man who finally stopped quitting on himself and his family. I was tired of being overweight, tired and beat down, tired of starting every night and quitting every morning. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I lost 100 pounds using the carnivore diet and why the real change had very little to do with food. I'm not an influencer and I'm not here to hype you up. I'm gonna show you what actually worked for me and why I believe it can work for you too. My name's Brandon. I'm just a 51-year-old dad, not a fitness influencer, not a doctor, and I'm definitely not selling a magic weight loss pill. I was almost 350 pounds, exhausted, ashamed, and stuck in the same cycle a lot of men are in. I tried diets, I lost weight, and every time I gained it back plus more. I realized the problem wasn't information. I've always known what to do to lose fat. The problem was creating a lifestyle I could sustain. Those shorts you saw, I wore them on my family cruise in July of 2024 when I weighed almost 350 pounds. The morning after the cruise, I stepped on the scale and saw 348 staring back up at me. Standing there looking at myself in the mirror, something snapped. I decided I wasn't trying to lose weight anymore. I was going to lose fat no matter what. Finding the carnivore diet was the one thing that finally changed everything for me. Not because it's trendy and definitely not because it's extreme, but because it was simple enough for me to stop quitting. I stopped eating foods that wrecked my body, crashed my energy, and shattered my discipline. I cut out the processed crap and the Franken foods that modern food in companies call food. I focused on eating real food, meat, eggs, and animal fat. When I did that, the weight started falling off like I flipped a switch. My energy came back, my head cleared, my body stopped hurting. I lost 100 pounds. Even better, my joints stopped hurting and I can move again. My sleep improved. But here's what people never talk about. When you keep your word to yourself with food, something deeper inside starts to change. You start believing in yourself again. You stand up straighter. You remember who you used to be and believe you can become the man you were meant to be. I'm starting this channel with fat loss, specifically Carnivore for Beginners, because that's how my journey started. This led me to discover so much more about myself and my purpose that I'm going to share it all with you. I want every man to meet the same life transformation I've made. Brother, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to lose weight with carnivore and then show you some tools and mindsets that will teach you how to maintain your fat loss the rest of your life. I'm going to show you tools so you can handle real life situations like eating out at work or going to your son's birthday party. And yes, you can have your cake and eat it too and still maintain your new body. Over time, we're going to talk about other ways you will transform your life. We're going to cover discipline, consistency, leadership, and becoming the man God intended you to be. I'm not here to preach at you. I've been where you are and I've walked in your shoes. I found my way to a successful life. I'm walking this with you and I'll show you how to be the best man you can be. The trenches with you right now. I'm not going to ask you to do anything I haven't already done and haven't already been through. This is about building your foundation so deep that you don't lose the moment your life gets stressful. You don't need perfection. You can't do this with sheer willpower. You need a clear plan of action and someone who's been there to show you the way. In the next videos, I'm going to show you exactly how carnivore works for fat loss, exactly what foods to eat and which ones to avoid like the plague, exactly how to start without quitting in week 1. If you're a beginner, start with these. Later, we'll cover the mental transformations. Now, this is your call to take action and take your life back. You're not too old, you're not too broken, and you are by no means done. If you're ready to start working on the new you, stick around. All right, brother, let's get to work.